All right, so we got the pan and pickup installed in the NB EcoBoost here. I was having issues. I put all the oil I had in it with the Mustang pan in there, and I was having issues. Put the wiring in, and I couldn't get the oil pressure gauge. It wouldn't read pressure. As you can see now, it does. About 30 psi cranking. So we had to do the EcoBoost. When you install an oil pump, they tell you to prime it. Well, this thing sat with a no pickup on it for quite a few days, and so the oil pump had lost its prime, and you can't crank it over on a starter fast enough to get it to pick up that prime. It was reading 0. I took the fuel pump off from that, kind of like I did that previous short where I shot oil across the shop. I pulled that pump off just in case maybe the gauge was having a voltage issue while cranking, and that's why I wasn't getting any pressure. But no, nothing came out. I cranked it way forever, and so I've got this here vacuum brake bleeder. It is air, hook shop air up to this here snap-on tool, and it'll pull vacuum on this hose and suck whatever, vacuum whatever you need. So I made this here adapter. It's a hose covered in tape, stuck in another hose covered in tape, and I pulled off the oil filter housing here, and there's a little port. I'll show it to you on the junk. All right, so here's my windowed 2-3 block. So this port right here, if you pull the oil filter housing off, that bolts up here, with 4 bolts. This goes to the oil pump. You see, this is the main oil feed to where the oil pump is located. So I took this hose right here that's got all this stuff to make it big enough, and sucked on this port right here, and then it pulled the oil through the pickup into the pump and then primed the pump, and now we have oil pressure. Didn't think it was going to work, but I thought I'd try it. That vacuum bleeder is a lifesaver.